Good morning, student. Student, last class I sent you a revision questions of chapter 1 and 2, and I believe that you have been done that question and read your textbook thoroughly. Okay, let's we start discussing with the questions one by one. The first question is the name the states where Tropic of Cancer passes through. Okay, Indian state. Name the Indian state. The answer is Mizoram, Tripura, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, little bit of Rajasthan, then southern part of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Okay, answer for the first question once again: Mizoram, Tripura, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, southern part and little bit of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Okay, second question. Name the country has its land boundary with five states of India. The answer is China. Okay, the China is a country we had a land boundary with the five states. That five states are uh, Ladakh, Himachal, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. Question number 3. What is a peninsula? Peninsula, the answer is the peninsula is an area of land surrounded by water on three sides, or the peninsula is a piece of land which is surrounded by water from three sides. Okay. Now, question number 4. What is the latitude of Tropic of Cancer? Student spelling mistake. Okay, typing error. The Tropic of Cancer. The answer is what is the latitude? Okay, latitude. The answer is 23 and half degree N. N is indicating for the northern hemisphere. Once again, the answer is 23 and half degree, capital letter N. Okay, and that N is indicating for the northern hemisphere. Next question is, which meridian is chosen as the standard meridian of India? The answer is 82 degree 30 minutes E, capital letter E. 82 degree 30 minutes E. Why 82 degree 30 minutes E has been selected as the standard meridian of India? Okay, for that student, if you remember the easternmost corner to the westernmost, from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat, the total distance is 2933 kilometers, right? If you divided this total distance in a equal part, that comes under the 82 degree 30 minutes each, because these are the longitude which is divide the India into a two equal part. Okay, now question number 7. Why is the difference between the duration of day and night hardly felt at Kanyakumari but not so in the Kashmir? The answer is because the Kanyakumari is very closer to the equator, whereas Kanyakumari is very closer to the equator, whereas Kashmir is away from the equator. Um, Equator is a area, the zone where we receive the sunlight directly, vertically, not slanting. Okay, if you look at the whole globe, equator which is passes through the middle, and sunlight it receive vertically. Okay, but when we go to the Kashmir side, the sunlight receives slanting, not in a vertical and a straight way, it is slanting. That's why in a Kanyakumari we receive the most amount of the sun heat and sunlight. Because of that, it we hardly felt the day and night in the Kanyakumari, but not so in the Kashmir. Question 1 of chapter 2. The earth crust of Earth is made up of how many tectonic plates? The total 7 major tectonic plates. That means 7 major plates are the 7 continents. Okay, 7 that continents, along with numbers of small plates that could be island group. Okay, so the earth crust of Earth is made up of total 7 major plates and numbers of small plates. Okay, 7 major plates and many other small plates. Question number 2. Name the oldest landmass in India. The answer is Gondwana Lane. Okay, the Gondwana Lane which we found in the Peninsula Plateau. Okay, why it is the oldest landmass? Because it was the part of the Gondwana land which is break out from the Pangaea. Right, Pangaea जो सुपर कॉन्टिनेंट है वहाँ से स्प्लिट होके नॉर्थ एंड साउथ द नॉर्दर्न प्लेट को हम बोलते थे लौरेसिया एंड सदर्न पार्ट को हम गोंडवाना लैंड भी बोलते हैं और अंगारा लैंड. राइट, सो इंडिया का अगर ओल्डेस्ट लैंड मास अगर हम बोलेंगे तो गोंडवाना लैंड विच इज़ इन द पेनिनसुला प्लेट्यू. Question number 3. Which plateau lies between Aravalli and the Vindhya range? The answer is Malwa Plateau. Okay, Aravalli Hills, which is very closer to the Rajasthan area. Then Vindhya, which is in between the Madhya Pradesh, right? Somewhere in the Madhya Pradesh. So which plateau? That is the Malwa Plateau, which lies between the Aravallis and the Vindhya range. Okay. Next question is distinguish between Bhagar and Khadar. These are the basically the types of alluvium soil which we found in the northern plain. Okay, the Bhagar is the old alluvial soil and Khadar is the new alluvial soil. Basically we found in the foothill of Himalaya. Okay, foothill of Himalaya we found this alluvial soil. Now, what do you know about the Pangaea, Laurasia and Gondwana range? Okay, answer for this is Pangaea is a supercontinent. According to the geologists, the Pangaea was a supercontinent, means single landmass which is known as a Pangaea. Okay, and this Pangaea was split into two parts, the Laurasia which is in the northern part and the Gondwana land which is in the southern part. Okay, as I told you, according to the geologists उनका मानना है 2050 million years ago सिंगल लैंड फॉर्म था. ओके, लैंड मास था जिसको हम पेंगिया बोलते हैं. ओके, नाउ उसी पेंगिया से स्प्लिट होके दो भाग में बांटा, लौरेसिया जो नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ पेंगिया and Gondwana land which is the southern part. Okay, now question number 6. What do you understand the term Terai and Bagar? Okay, Terai and Bagar is the area which we found in the northern plain. Okay, northern plain में अगर आप देखोगे जैसे ही ग्रेट हिमालय ख़त्म हो जाते हैं उसके बाद नॉर्दर्न प्लेन शुरू हो जाते हैं. राइट, नाउ नॉर्दर्न प्लेन में हमने क्या देखा था कि वाटर द रिवर्स बेसिकली द नॉर्दर्न रिवर. ओके, पेरेनियल रिवर जो है क्या क्या होने लग जाता है, देयर स्पीड बिकम्स वेरी स्लो, जिसके चलते बहुत सारा एलुवियल द सेडिमेंट वो लोग रिवर बेड में डिपॉजिट करते जाते हैं. उसके बाद जैसे जैसे रिवर आगे बढ़ते हैं, यू टॉक अबाउट इंडस, यू टॉक अबाउट गंगा, यू टॉक अबाउट ब्रह्मपुत्र, उनका स्पीड क्या हो जाता है, स्लो डाउन होके. ओके, स्लो डाउन होके यही तेराई जो है क्या एक करते हैं, आगे जाके ये रिवर जो है स्वम्पी एरिया क्रिएट करते हैं. ओके, नॉर्दर्न प्लेन में वो स्लो डाउन हो जाते हैं, फिर आगे जाके क्योंकि वो स्लोप नीचे की तरफ बे ऑफ बंगाल और अराबियन सी की तरफ में फ्लो करते हैं, जिसके थ्रू वो स्लोप एरिया में बहने के वजह से क्या हो जाता है, द एरिया उसी लेवल में स्वाम्पी मतलब दलदल एरिया क्रिएट करते हैं. ओके, सो यू टॉक अबाउट द सुंदरबन एरिया जो कि प्लेन एरिया से नीचे. ओके, प्लेन एरिया से नीचे प्लेट्यू एरिया शुरू होने से पहले, प्लेन एरिया ख़त्म होके प्लेट्यू एरिया शुरू होने से पहले हम एक जोन पाए जाते हैं, दैट एरिया विच इज़ वेरी स्वाम्पी. ओके, दैट इज़ नॉन एज ए तेराई. Bagar is an area which right after the Himalayan Great Himalaya के बाद प्लेन शुरू होने से पहले ओके वो एक हल्का सा बेल्ट पड़ते हैं जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा कंकर पाए जाते हैं। ठीक है, हिमालय माउंटेन जैसा ख़त्म हुआ है शिवालिक रेंज के बाद प्लेन एरिया शुरू होने से पहले दैट एरिया वेयर वी फाउंड मैनी पेबल्स, दैट एरिया इज़ नॉट प्लेन, ओके, देयर इज़ नो एलुवियल सॉइल, ओके। सो उसी एरिया को हम बोलते हैं बाबर एंड तेराई। दोनों जो है नॉर्दर्न प्लेन के अंदर आते हैं। एक जो है नॉर्दर्न प्लेन शुरू होने से पहले माउंटेन एरिया ख़त्म होने के बाद दैट इज़ बाबर, एंड तेराई जो नॉर्दर्न प्लेन ख़त्म होके पेनिनसुला प्लेट्यू शुरू होने से पहले उसी एरिया में स्वैम्पी एरिया, ओके, दलदल एरिया, कीचड़ गीला गीला सा हम एरिया पाए जाते हैं, उसको हम बोलते हैं तेराई। ओके, सो this is the student for your revision work. If you are still not able to understand some of the terms, some of the concept, please let me know. Okay, next video I'm going to send you the next chapter. Along with this video I'm sending you the notes of second chapter. Please do it in your notebook. Next video we will start with the new chapter. See you in the next video.